So, firstly, I am showing here the LLC circuit diagram in which these are two switches. This resonant inductor, resonant capacitor, then the magnetizing inductor. This is transformer, and this is D1, D2, and then the filter capacitor, then the load. So, in this video, I am discussing about the timing diagram of this resonant converter. So this is the timing diagram of the LLC converter. Okay, here we see the VGS. This is this is Q1. Q1 means switch 1. So when the switch 1 is on, okay, switch 2 is off. Okay, this is the voltage of the parasitic capacitance of switch Q1. Okay, this is discharging. This capacitor discharge and become then 0. Okay, while this Q1 on, the current through the transformer of the circuit is sinusoidal and off here. This is the magnetizing current, means the current flowing through the LM inductor, that is this. So this is keep increasing, and here uh, Q1 is off, but still this is on in the still following, and this is the current through Q1. I mean switch Q1. This is the current going through like this, and then becoming this. This is because the magnetizing current is still following this, and due to this magnetizing current, this the voltage of the Q1 parasitic capacitance start charging, and this become discharging. Voltage of parasitic capacitance of Q2 is discharging, and this is charging. Okay, and then this is the current of Q1, and this is the current of Q1, and this transformer current corresponding to the diode D1, and this is become output current. When the switch Q2 is on, then the current through the transformer become negative, and that's the LM current or magnetizing current is still flowing, and this is going then down. This is the Q1 current flowing, this is the Q2 current following. In the Q2, the current flowing through this and this again, same, and this is the D2. When this is the dead time where the Q1 and Q2 both off. So this is the magnetizing current flowing through the magnetizing circuit and the body diode of the switching circuit of the MOSFET. Okay,